Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Roblox account is signed in and that privacy settings allow messaging. Once done, open the Messages panel from the chat icon or the Messages page. Next, find the friend or target user by username, click New Message or the Message button to start a thread. You should pick a clear subject line and short opening sentence. This gets the conversation live fast, so you can focus on content rather than setup. You now craft the actual message. Type a concise opening, present the main point, and include any action items. Make sure to format with short paragraphs so readers scan easily. Use emojis only to support tone. If you must share details, attach permitted screenshots and avoid posting personal info. Once your message is clear, review for tone and typos, then press send. If expecting reply, add a simple call to action like, "Please reply by X," to prompt a response. You finish by monitoring the thread and following up if you don't get a reply. Once done, organize conversations with search or pin important messages so you won't lose them. If you made a mistake, edit or delete within Roblox's allowed window and then send a corrected follow-up explaining why. If messages fail to send, check your internet, confirm your account isn't restricted, and review privacy settings. If harassment occurs, block the user and report the conversation immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.